Wanted to create something very loose, very easy and abstract. Today, so here is my very makeshift setup for today, just by the window, forever chasing the sunshine. Let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a king who kept oscillating between happiness and hopelessness. The smallest things would cause him great ecstasy, but this would quickly turn into despair and hopelessness. Finally, he got tired of himself and wanted a way out. He sent for a wise man who lived in his kingdom and was known to be enlightened. So, when the wise man came to see him, the king said, "I am tired of myself and I want peace. Can you give me something that will bring harmony, calmness, and wisdom in my life? I am ready to pay you any price that you ask." The wise man replied, "I might be able to help you, but my price is extremely high, and even if you give me your entire kingdom, it will not be sufficient to repay me. Hence, I will give it to you as a gift, but only if you promise to honor it." The king agreed wholeheartedly, and the wise man departed. A few weeks passed by, and one day the wise man returned and gave the king a beautiful carved box. When the king opened the box, he found a small gold ring inside. There were some letters inscribed on the ring which read, "This too shall pass." "What does this mean?" the king asked. The wise man replied, "Wear this ring always. Whatever happens in your life, before you judge it as good or bad, look at the ring and read the inscription. That way, you will always remain peaceful." My friends, the words "this too shall pass" are your anchors in life. When you understand the impermanence of events which are ever changing, you begin to recognize the eternal, which is the never changing aspect within you. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. See you next time. Bye.